Welcome. If you're looking to learn how to react to a pin in chat on Pinterest using your PC, especially with the new update, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through each step so you can start expressing yourself with reactions in your Pinterest chats in no time. Let's get started. First, open up your browser and head over to Pinterest.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on your Pinterest homepage, take a look at the left side of your screen. You'll see a menu with several options. Find and click on Messages. This is where all your Pinterest conversations are stored. After you click on Messages, you'll see a list of your ongoing chats. Scroll through and select the chat where you want to react to a pin. Simply click on the chat to open it up. Now, inside the chat, you'll see all the pins and messages you've shared with that person or group. Here comes the fun part. Find the specific pin you want to react to. Move your mouse over the pin and you'll notice a small icon appear. This is the new React icon introduced in the latest Pinterest update. Click on this React icon, and a selection of reaction emojis will pop up. Now, all you have to do is choose the reaction that best fits how you feel about the pin. Maybe you want to send a heart, a clap, a wow face, or something else. Just click on your chosen emoji. Instantly, your reaction will appear below the pin for everyone in the chat to see. And that's it. You've just added a reaction to a pin in chat on Pinterest, right from your PC. This new feature makes it super easy to share your thoughts and feelings without typing a word. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Pinterest tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy pinning!